In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Zoho CRM for sales teams. Once you are logged into Zoho CRM, start by going to the Settings area. You will find Settings in the top right corner of the screen. This is where you manage the parts of Zoho CRM that affect your whole team, like access, setup, and process rules. In Settings, look for the General section, then select Users. This is where you manage everyone who can log in and work in your CRM. To invite your sales team, click the option that says Add New User. Enter each person's details carefully, because this information controls where the invitation goes and how their account is created. As a tip, make sure you choose the correct role or profile if that option is available, so each person has the right level of access for their job. After you submit the details, Zoho will send an invite so they can join your CRM and start working. Next, you will set up your sales process so it matches how your team actually sells. Go back to Settings, then find Customization, and select Pipelines. Pipelines are what your team will use to track deals from early conversations all the way to closed business. So taking a moment to tailor this will make reporting and daily work much easier. Inside Pipelines, locate the pipeline you want to use and click Edit. Now you can customize the stage names. Use names that clearly describe what is happening at each point in your process, and keep the wording consistent so everyone on the team updates deals the same way. Clear stages also help managers review the pipeline faster and spot where deals are getting stuck. Finally, connect email so your team can work from one place. Go back to Settings again, then go to Channels, choose Email, and select Get Started. Follow the prompts to sync each team member's inbox. This helps keep customer communication tied to the right records in Zoho CRM and reduces the need to switch between tools. That covers everything you need to know.